Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm going to show you how to make your own hot oil treatment at home. So for this recipe you'll need measuring spoons, peppermint oil, castor oil, olive oil, amla oil, and an applicator bottle. So I'm just using a glass bowl so you can see clearly what I'm doing, and first I'm going to take 4 ounces of olive oil, which equals to roughly about half a cup. I'm going to go ahead and add Jamaican black castor oil with a hint of tea tree oil in it, and I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. And then taking my anti-dandruff amla oil, I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of that. And lastly, I'm going to add peppermint oil because it's a great stimulant for your scalp and hair growth. And I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of that. Now I've heated a large cup of water in the microwave and transferred the oil from the glass bowl into the applicator bottle, and now I'm just going to submerge the applicator bottle with the oil in it in the cup for about 2 minutes, and this is just a foolproof method of ensuring that the oil is heated evenly throughout. And as you can see, my hair is really dry and crusty, so I'm just going to shampoo my hair with my Cream of Nature detangling and conditioning shampoo, because it's best to do a hot oil treatment on freshly washed hair so that the oil can easily penetrate. And just testing the oil on the back of my hand to make sure it's not too hot, I'm going to add this to my scalp and to the ends of my hair and then work that in there. And then I'm going to section that part away and do my entire hair, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm just going to go in with a quick scalp massage. This scalp massage is from Vanity Planet. I do not have a discount code, but I'm working on it. And then I'm just gonna put my hair under a plastic cap so that the heat can be trapped. And I also went in with my steamer. And if you don't have a steamer like I do, you can always use a black plastic bag to trap the heat because black absorbs heat. So now I'm back, and as you can see, my hair is really saturated with the oil, so I just washed that out and followed up with my Cream of Nature detangling and conditioning conditioner. And then I'm just going to do a quick deep condition with my steamer under the heat for 15 minutes. And when I came back, my hair was so soft and so moisturized, you guys.
Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and done my washing routine. If you want to see that video, I will link it down below in the description box. And I think there's like a card thing that'll come up somewhere. And you can go just click on it and it'll take you straight to the video. As you can see, my hair is still a bit, wet, and there's still some white residue. It's still drying. 9 hours later and my hair's still wet, so low porosity life, what are you gonna do, right? So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope that you try the hot oil treatment and let me know if you like it. Let me know how it works for you down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!